Ooh, it is nice. We're gonna close the door and start here. Where is the light? There's no light right here? It is. Okay. So we're gonna start in here. Nice closet space for coats, and this is gonna be my camera equipment and studio equipment, just being honest. So we're right here in the kitchen. These are the lights. I can get used to these because the others are just too much. I like the lights up there. Okay. Nice big kitchen. Nice kitchen. Very nice. Very nice kitchen here. Island kitchen I can actually cook in and do videos with my cooking segments. Cooking segments. I'm so excited. Okay, so anyway. I haven't had an island yet. In my apartment, it's just regular. It's like a bar stool. So I think I can put one chair here. Well, no, it's probably too much. But at least 4 bar stools here. 3 to 4. 1, 2, 3. And a 4th one here. Wouldn't be too much. But yeah, stainless steel appliances. Good storage space. You know, it's pretty typical. It's not, it reminds me of the one in Dallas, but the one in Dallas had like a water thing here, which was really nice. I don't like ice at all, unless it's like freshwater ice. I'm very picky, but that's just how I am. So I never want that to be on anyway, so yeah. I mean, I wish it was bigger, but it's fine. I never use that space up there. To me, that's just so much. Maybe if I had like a whole family or something, then yeah, but this probably would be my spice cabinet. Very clean. Yeah, nice drawers. They have enough drawers for my pantry and stuff, because I love to cook. Oh yeah, they're deep. That's good. And then this is, oh, a nice deep pantry. Yes. Yes. And then, oh, more. Okay, my other apartment doesn't have this. So I appreciate that. I do appreciate that. I have a lot of space to keep my glasses and cups and things like that. Okay, so this is another, what is this called? Is this called a nook or whatever? I don't know what this is called. What is that? What are those? What those are? Comment below if you know what that is. I don't. But I'm sure it's something that you can hang something on or something. Yeah, nice space. Actually, too much space. We don't need all this. I probably will put my like pots and pans over here. Probably. Okay, so this is my washer and dryer that is included. So that's a good thing, you know, since I'm paying the price. Okay, so this is it. And it has a whole hallway for the bedroom back there. This is the area for the dining or either the computer. This can be my YouTube space right here. And then it has the nice views. Then I have a big balcony. It's nice. And that's my extra storage room over there. So this is, oh, that's cute. This is like a little study nook area. But this is going to be my beauty corridor. Like beauty studio type thing. This is going to be where I have everything, all my hair products, all of that is going in here. And maybe on one side I could have hair products, and the other side like my studies for my, since I'm in college now again as a student for my master's program, I'll probably put my books and materials on that side and then do hair stuff over here. Hair and makeup and stuff over there. Or I could put my studies and stuff down there, you know. But altogether, this is going to be my office. All of this. I could actually section this off and put that little thing that I have right here. I could put that there instead of having this so open. But I mean, I'm still gonna use this area to film in, so the lights will go that way. Or either I can put a shelf or something over here. Well, I'm gonna put my sectional, not sectional, I'm gonna put my couch over here, my little beauty couch right here. And then over there, a nice lamp or something like that, or like a lamp and like some sort of beauty wall or something right there. What do you call those things? Not a closet space, but you know, stuff that decorates the wall. I can't think of it, but yeah, so this is it for my little studio space. That's a leaf that came in, because I thought that was a roach. I was gonna scream. Cut the lights off too. So it's nice. I like that it has the holes for the cords to come up for my MacBook. Where's the light for that area though? I don't see the light switch for that whole area. Okay. Okay, well it's not that much light, but I guess I could change this light to a, I can change that into a daylighting bulb. Maybe a stronger bulb, so we can see if that works. But until then, this is really nice. This is supposed to be a dining room area, but I don't feel comfortable with that being a dining room area. I don't want that to be dining room, so I'll probably put something over here, like a dining table over here or something like that. Or I'll put it over here or something like that. Because I'm gonna have like 4 bar stools up here, so that's 4 seats, and then 3 or 4 right there. And then all of that is living and studio, so whatever. So on down, oh, we have these cool things. Comment below if you have these in your apartment or whatever, but these are the new heating thermostats. I have the old school one in my other apartment, so I have to figure out how to use that one. But it has a nice lighting down the corridor. And this is, yeah, that's what that is. The utility space. We're gonna keep that closed forever. And we're gonna go to the bathroom. This is, I like how this is a whole hallway. Like this is a whole hallway. And I could put a nice little chase, not a chase, but a bookshelf thing right here or something cute, I don't know. Or I could film, that could be a filming space for me. Because it has the little, you know, cords and stuff. I could do that. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so I have the heated towel wraps right here. Oops. Yeah, these heat up so that they heat up your towels or whatever. Nice garden tub. Nice shower. And I look dusty, so I'm not gonna show myself. But, you know, granite tops. You know. Regular, schmegular, jagular. I wish I had more. Oh, okay, yeah, this is good. This is good. And this is a TV. We have TVs in ours. Let's put it on. So if I'm in here taking a shower or a bath or whatever, it's a TV. I know, I look dusty because I was doing a lot today, you guys. I'm running errands. So yeah, that's the TV. And you know, you just put it on cable or whatever. I don't know if the screen gets bigger or whatever, but yeah. So that's cool. I have that in my current apartment. I just don't use it because I'm not in my bathroom like that, you know. So it's a nice bathroom. I like the lights up here too. I really do. So on to the bedroom. Oh, I have some big windows. Yes, a nice ceiling fan. I think this, is that gonna have to be replaced? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so here's the closet. It is much bigger. It's much bigger. Oh my goodness, much bigger, more space and everything. Like I can put in 2 whole closet racks in addition to what I have up there. my current closet is like half the size of this. So I still have my elongated shoe rack, and then I can hang up all of my long items here. My shirts are gonna go up over there, I think, if I can, and then I don't know where I'll put over here. But I'm gonna put in all of my shoe racks at the bottom, and I'll probably have like a 3-tier pull-outs there for my room, because I don't want a I don't want a nightstand, not a nightstand, I don't want a chest. So I'll probably like do something like that to keep my underwear and bras and stuff like that in. But this is a very nice apartment. This is actually worth the money that I'm paying now. Like, I'm content. And of course the TV will probably go over here. But I don't believe in having a TV in my bedroom because that distracts me. I learned that the hard way in college. So I'll probably do the bed going this way, coming this way, and then my chest are 2 nightstands over there, 2 small nightstands. And all of this will be extra space. Because I could do my bed that way, and then use that to film, use all that area and space over there to film. I guess that would give me a more space, huh? Probably would give me more space to do the nightstands over there. But it just doesn't work with my closet being right there. It just makes the room look so congested. So I'd rather the bed just come out this way. And that way I can film on either side of the bed. Because I need those lights, daylights, whatever. Just in case I want to film in my bedroom, you know. So that's it for my lovely apartment tour. And thank you guys. And come back soon. Leave me cookies. I love McDonald's cookies. See you guys next time.